In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Gmail. If you've ever sent an email a little too quickly and immediately wanted to take it back, Gmail has a simple feature that can help. It's important to know that in Gmail, recalling an email really means using the undo send option right after the message is sent. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how that works from start to finish. First, open Gmail and go to your inbox. This is where you'll begin the process and where Gmail gives you access to composing and sending messages. Make sure you're signed in and looking at your main mail screen. Next, click the Compose button in the top left corner. This opens a new email draft window where you can create the message you want to send. If the Compose window opens in a smaller pop-up box, that's completely normal. Now click into the To field and enter the recipient's email address. Be careful here because this is one of the most common places mistakes happen. If you send to the wrong person, the undo option can be especially useful, but it's still a good habit to double-check before sending. After that, click into the subject line field and type your subject. Keep it clear and relevant so the email is easy to identify, especially if you end up editing and resending it after undoing. Then click into the body of the email and enter your message text. This is where you'll write the main content of your email. Take a moment to review what you wrote, since formatting issues, typos, or missing details are often the reason people want to recall a message in the first place. Once your email is ready, click send. As soon as you do this, Gmail will send the message, but for a brief moment it also gives you the chance to reverse that action. Right after sending, look to the bottom left corner of the Gmail window. You'll see a sent message notification appear, and within that notification there will be an undo option. Click undo as quickly as possible to recall the email. When you do, the message is pulled back before it fully goes through and your draft reopens so you can make changes or decide not to send it at all. That's all there is to it. The key thing to remember is that this only works for a short time after you click send, so you need to act fast. And that's how to recall an email in Gmail.